So, good all everyone. My name is Manuel James Disensil. I'm BPED2. So, wala akong laptop. So, i-screenshot yun lang sa isa kong phone. Ang aking PPT. So, our topic for today is all about parts of the plant. So, my students are grade 3 and my subject is science. So, So our learning objectives is identify the 5 main parts of a plant and describe the function of each part. Use technology to label plant parts interactively. So what are the plants? So the plants are plants are living things. Then they need air, sunlight, water, and soil to survive. So we have plants. Ang plants ay may 5 main parts. So first is roots. The second one is stem, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds. So you can see in my PPT, there's my picture sa gilid na nakalagay na may flower, leaves, stem, roots. So yan yung 5 na parts of plant. So let's proceed. So the first one, roots. So ang roots is found underground. So makikita nyo yan siya sa kung bunutin mo yung bunutin mo yung flower ng mama mo. So pag bunot mo may parang mga ugat-ugat, 'di ba? Yan yung roots. So ga-absorb yan siya ng water and nutrients. So isa rin yan siya sa makapahold ng plants na magstay sa isang place na yung mga paso. So the second one is the stem. So ang stem daw is moves water and nutrients through the plant and support the plant so it stands upright. So ang stem is the part of the plant so that support the leaves, flowers, and fruits. So maka-hold din siya, it holds. So maka-hold siya na maka-stand ang isang plants and maka-carry rin siya ng nutrients and water. So from the roots to the leaves. And it also maka-transport po niya siya og foods from the leaves to other parts of the plant. And the third one is leaves. So ang leaves daw make food, the plant photosynthesis and absorb sunlight. So ang leaves are the food making plants. So they use sunlight, air, and water to make food through process called photosynthesis. So this also helps breathe and release oxygen. So this example, no? Tayong mga tao. Kunyari sa city, kung nakatira ka sa city, 'di ba, iba ang ano ng oxygen, yung hangin ba na malanghap mo. So, puros usok ng mga tambutso ng mga sakyan, motor, mga food, mga ano diyan na nakatayo ng mga building. So, if magpunta ka sa bukid, no, sa bundok, puros plants, 'di ba, ang nakapaligid. So pag nandun ka, so fresh lahat ng malalanghap mong oxygen. So importante talaga na madami na importante talaga ang plants sa atin. So the per one is flowers. So help the plant reproduce, attract insects and animals. So ang flowers daw, so ang flowers kay makaproduce po daw siya og mga insects, mga seeds. O maka-attract siya like mga bees, 'di ba? May makita man kayong mga sa mga bulaklak ng mga mama nyo. So like gumamela ba 'yun? Basta yung mga mabango nga na mga bulaklak. Doon may mga pumunta doon ng mga bees. So doon sila parang gakuha sila ng honey ba yan or may kinakain sila doon. So isa help the plant reproduce. So maka-help po dahil ito siya ng maka-reproduce na plant o maka-attract siya mga insects o animals. And last one is fruits and seeds. So ang fruits and seeds contain seeds grow into new plants. Into new plants. So ang fruit and seed is the part, ang fruit dye is the part of plant that protects the seeds. So just like mga example, mga rambutan, mga kamatis, talong, okra. Di ba may mga seeds man yan, yung mga bunga nila. Di ba may mga bunga man yan, yung mga gulay. So pag like yung kamatis, pag mga kamatis, slicein mo. Pag itapon mo yung parang yung liso niya, yung seeds niya sa may kanal. So Mano ka na lang na, may tumubo na kuan na kamatis doon sa tinapunan mo doon sa kanal. So it often grows from the flower and can be sweet or fleshy. And fruits help spread seeds so new plants can grow. So just like yung kamatis. Pas dito sa amin, tinapon ko sa may kanal yung kamatis na sinaslice ko, hindi ko kasi sinasama yung kanyang seeds. So, pagtapon ko doon, matingala ko ba? Matingala ako nga na tumubo yung tinapon ko ng mga maraming seeds ng kamatis doon sa kanal. So, doon, hindi na kami bumili ng kamatis sa palengke. Doon na lang kami kumukuha. So makatipid rin siya sa ating budget, no? So technology integration. So my technology integration tools used in this lesson is Google. So kumuha ako sa Google ng mga ideas, and pag-edit ko ng aking presentation is Canva. So, interactive activity. So, identify the parts of the plants and enumerate the function and open the quiz. And my summary is plants have 5 main parts. So, yun na nga yung sinabi ko nung introduction pa lang. May 5 main parts tayo ng plants. Yung roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. So, ang roots absorb water. The stem support and transport nutrients. And the third one is leaves make food. And the flowers, reproductive. And the fruits and seeds grow new plants. So, that's my summary. So my justification technology helps to visualize plants parts clearly and learn interactively parts practice in a fun way. And so that's all. Thank you. Mabuhay.